It's National Nut Day, and today I'm making a Disney World treat. So go grab some nuts, the food kind, and don't hurt anybody. Let's go! Natalie Fierce here, and today I'm making another Disney Parks recipe. Crockpot Cinnamon Sugared Almonds from Blizzard Beach, one of Disney's huge water parks. It's located in Disney World in Orlando, Florida, and welcomes 3 million people per year. Full disclosure, I'm never going to be one of those 3 million people. This is as close to our water park as I'm ever going to get. By the way, who answered the door at the nut house? Why, that would be the peanut butler. For this recipe, we need a crock pot, 4 cups of roasted unsalted almonds, 2 egg whites, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. In this bowl, I have 1 cup sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 3 tablespoons cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. The first step is to whisk together the egg whites and vanilla. And this is a copycat recipe from DisneyInsider.com. So in other words, they made up this recipe to taste like the ones at Blizzard Beach. In fact, we really don't know how Disney makes their sugared almonds. But I do know this. There aren't a bunch of disabled women stirring crock pots behind the wave pool. That's not happening. I've got my egg whites whipped with the vanilla, and now I'm adding the nuts to coat them. I love almonds. They're my favorite nut. And I love almond milk. It's not like any other milk. I'm really glad it's called almond milk. I don't think I would want to drink it if it was called nut juice. Ew, yuck. My nuts are coated with egg whites and in the crock pot. Oh, and hey, check out my cool bowl. The last thing to go in the crock pot is all my sugars and seasoning to make these nuts yummy. And then I'm going to mix them together with all the nuts. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so weak. I can't lift this dang bowl, and it only has 2 cups of sugar in it. Okay, I had a little help. Okay, here's how the nuts look before they start cooking. Yum. Hey you guys, why did the crock pot fail gonna cook on low for 3 hours, and then I'm coming back to stir them and add a 1/4 cup of water and let them cook for 1 more hour. Alexa, set a timer for 3 hours.
3 hours, starting now.
For all you crock pot cookers out there with one arm that works, or weak as shit arms like me, have I got a hack for you. When you can, choose a round crock pot or over an oval crock pot. Let me tell you why. Here's a demonstration. Round crock pot. Oval crock pot. Choose a round crock pot. So you might be wondering why I chose to use crock pot. I found recipes for these nuts on the stove or in the oven. Much quicker recipes. But I can't use the stove or the oven without major assistance. With the crock pot, I can make my own damn nuts. Independence! Yay! An hour ago, I added a 1/4 cup of water and stirred the nuts. And now they're out on parchment paper, cooling. And here's what they look like. And when they're nice and cool, I'm gonna break them apart and store them in an airtight container. You can't believe how good my house smells. Even if you don't like almonds or nuts, make these so your house smells good. I can't wait to try my newest Disney treat that I made all by myself. Have a magical day.